This overview covers Wyecliff Weekly, edition 27 from June 12, 2026. The central idea is that this week in artificial intelligence was not just about stronger models, it was about distribution, where frontier tools started showing up inside products people already use.
And that frame carries the whole discussion. A highly capable model became available through a standard subscription. Apple moved a rebuilt Siri toward everyday device use, and the business question remained the same: who actually turns access into results?
Anthropic led the week with Claude Fable 5. It is a guarded version of the more restricted Mythos model, which had been held back because of how strong it was at finding software security flaws. Now, the capability is available more broadly, but higher risk requests are routed to a weaker model. The pricing matters too. Business users pay roughly double versus the model it replaces, while paid individual subscribers get temporary access at no extra cost through June 22nd.
So the message is not generosity, it is adoption.
Exactly. The view here is that Anthropic is giving users a short window to experience a Mythos class system before the meter changes, and that makes this a practical testing period for teams.
Apple made the same distribution point from a different direction. The rebuilt Siri can hold conversations, pull current answers from the web, understand what is on screen, and search across messages, email, and photos. It also takes action across apps and syncs through a dedicated app across Apple devices.
Which is why the key argument is that Apple does not need the best assistant if it has the most embedded one. For many users, this may be the first real artificial intelligence assistant they use because it arrives on a device they already own. Then Alex Karp, the chief executive of Palantir, made the enterprise side explicit. Palantir is the software company known for helping governments and large companies use their data. Karp said customers are unhappy because the labs keep selling raw model power while businesses still struggle to get outcomes.
That aligns with the strongest point in the issue. Buying a model is not the same as creating value from it.
Yes, and the Harvard Business Review item reinforces that from inside companies. Employees are already using artificial intelligence, including doctors and lawyers, but often hiding it. That means companies are paying for lessons they never capture.
The shorter headlines fit the same pattern. DoorDash launched an assistant for ordering by request instead of scrolling. The Financial Times reported that OpenAI is redesigning ChatGPT into a broader app with tools and agents. Even SpaceX framed major AI labs as competitors in its market filing.
And the practical recommendation this week is straightforward. Take an existing report or memo and turn it into an editable slide deck. Claude can generate a PowerPoint file directly, ChatGPT works through a PowerPoint add-in, and Microsoft Copilot can build a deck from files inside PowerPoint with company templates.
The most immediate low-cost test is Claude, because even the free plan can generate the full presentation file.
The week comes down to 3 linked points. Frontier capability is moving into mainstream products, default distribution may matter more than model rankings, and companies still need operational integration to get returns from any of it.
And the open question is now very practical. Not whether these tools are available, but which tools actually improve work and which companies people trust enough to let into their messages, files, and daily habits.